Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A nursery rhyme is a traditional poem or song for children in Britain and many other countries, but usage of the term only dates from the late 18th, early 19th century. From the mid-16th century, nursery rhymes begin to be recorded in English plays, and most popular rhymes date from the 17th and 18th centuries.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ring-a-ring-o roses, or Ring Around the Rosie, may be about the 1665 Great Plague of London. The Rosie being the malodorous rash that developed on the skin of bubonic plague sufferers, the stench of which then needed concealing with a pocket full of posies. 11 June 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
The phrase, Jack and Jill, existed earlier in England to indicate a boy and girl as a generic pair. It is so used, for example, in the proverb, every Jack shall, must, have his Jill, to which there are references in two plays by William Shakespeare dating from the 1590s.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baby Shark was originally a campfire song. Later, capitalizing on the song's popularity, more versions Baby Shark appeared online in different languages and with slightly different lyrics. The song proved to be very popular with kids, and today's it is one of the most requested songs by many children.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to several war historians, the original Humpty Dumpty was not an egg, not a chicken, not a man but a cannon. Hence, Humpty Dumpty came tumbling down. Due to its massive size, none of the king's horses and none of the king's men were able to put it back together again, and so Humpty's legacy was born. 24 October 2017.
Take our lead.
He had a son in 1688, and many feared his heir would lead to a Catholic dynasty in England. According to this political theory, the lyrics of Rock-a-Bye Baby were a death wish directed at the infant son of King James II, hoping he would die and be replaced by a Protestant king.
Take our lead.
Action rhyme reflected in the words of Hickory Dickory Dock, a nonsense poem which uses alliteration where children mimic the sound of a clock chiming at the relevant point in the song. Hickory Dickory Dock is intended to introduce children to the fundamentals of telling the time.
Take our lead.
Some say Humpty Dumpty is a sly allusion to King Richard III, whose brutal 26-month reign ended with his death in the Battle of Bosworth in 1485. In this speculative version, King Richard III's horse was supposedly called Wall, off of which he fell during battle. 28 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.